Hey guys, this is William again from VB Coders. I'm going to show you how to use my.settings to save multiple things, like a news feed for a web browser. I'm going to do an example of that real quick on news feed or history. I'll show you how to use it and how to load it. Just bear with me, alright? My settings. And then we're going to want a text box and a list box. And a button. Those are the only things you need to do this. Except the little XML code. I'll show you how to add that. Sorry, I probably said that wrong. XML. But here, finish this form real quick. Then I'm gonna go copy the code off my notepad. I'll be putting this in the description of the video. This is where all the info gets saved. It's a private server and each person can use it and no files gets mixed up. You probably could find this up on YouTube. That's where I found the code itself. No, that's name. I want text. Alright, now you're going to want to go into my project, resources, or sorry, settings. You want to put whatever you want. I'm going to put add. I'm going to just use that string. I'm going to go to system connection or collection thing there. I'm going to go value and I'm going to paste that XML code in there. Then hit this little button. It's going to pop up blank. This is where all your stuff will be stored. Then hit OK. And all the code will be in there. Go back to form 1. Go to add. And you're going to want to do a try function. Okay, so you want to go and type in dim c as dim c as integer. Shit, I said that wrong. Sorry. Integer. I'm bad at pronouncing. Integer equals my dot settings dot add dot item. Then you're going to want to hold on. Why isn't that working? 1 second. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, so what you're gonna do is I'm gonna put the code in the description and it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be dim c as add.count, dim x as integer for x equals 0 to c minus 1, listbox 1, the items.add, my.settings.add. Now, what's that going to do is basically this is going to read the content. It's going to read it. So basically all the stuff in my.settings.add.count is going to show in listbox1.items, which would be right here, right in here. So whatever you go here and then click here to add in there, that's what will happen. So this shouldn't be here though. I put that on the wrong line, and I apologize for that. I'm going to copy this, and you're going to want to, and try. Just copy all this and copy, delete, go back to form 1, click on the main form. This is where this code goes. Now for this, it's going to be text box, my.settings my.settings.add text box 1.text, and that's it. You can put that in a try function also if you want, but I'm also going to add one more line of code to this. That way it shows up right directly into list box thing too. So it's going to be list box 1 dot items dot add text box 1 dot text. And then now I'm going to show you that this works. Go in here. We're going to type in just like you would a URL, but instead of the add button, you would add that to the document completed in the web browser. That code that I added here. So what's going to happen is we're going to just type in Google like a web browser would, and boom, Google. Then facebook.com. Oh, can't use enter. I probably should have, but then see. Now I'm going to close the form and reopen it so you can see that it is saving in my.settings. If you can see, look, it is still there. I can go through, I can add a delete button real quick too to show you guys how to delete everything. So I'm gonna go to form 1, add another button, delete. I'll just put D for delete. Then we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna put list my.settings .add .clear, and then list box 1 items .clear, and then my.settings .save. And you're going to want to do the same thing over here, not on that one, but on the first button. Simple my.settings .save, just so you know for a fact it's going to save correctly. You want to make the my.settings save itself, that way there is no errors. You could also do this, put in a try function, put the error message under the catch, that way instead of the Windows error message you get one, then it doesn't shut down your program. It's a lot safer. I just figured I'd show you guys how to do all this. If you want to know how to design like .dells and all that, just contact me and I'll make a private video for you. Just I need you to contact me for it for me to do it. Any other info, just contact me anyways off my page, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you and have a good day. And that's about it.